In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a guaranteed $10,000 Bank of America credit card. We'll break it down step by step so it's easy for you to follow along. Whether you're looking to boost your purchasing power or improve your credit score, having a credit card with a higher limit can be a significant asset. First, grab your phone and open the Bank of America app. If you haven't already logged in, you'll need to do so using your online ID and passcode, or simply use Face ID if your device supports it for a seamless experience. Once you're in, look at the list of your accounts on the home screen. Find the credit card account you are looking to increase the limit on and select it. Now it's time to look for the option that allows you to request a credit line increase. This might sound complicated, but don't worry, you want to tap on credit line increase within the app. Sometimes it might be listed under credit/account settings. And that's alright. You might also need to explore a bit by tapping on sections like account services, card services, or manage under the settings tab. If you find yourself stuck, check out the information and services area, or sometimes the answer lies in the three-dot menu, typically found on the top right corner of your screen. With the settings found, it's time to enter the magic number. In this field, you're going to type in $10,000 if that's your target amount for the limit increase. Of course, if you have a different amount in mind that better suits your financial needs, go ahead and enter that. Once you've input the desired credit limit, simply tap Continue. Before we move on to the final submission, you might be prompted to verify some information or provide additional documentation. Be sure to review any of these prompts carefully. Once you're ready, go ahead and tap the Submit button. This is your moment of finalizing the request. After submission, you'll see an on-screen confirmation indicating that your request has been successfully submitted. Make sure to take note of any reference number displayed, as it can be handy later on. Keep an eye on your email or any secure messages in your app, as that's where you'll receive the notification about the decision regarding your credit line increase. And that's it! You've successfully navigated the Bank of America app and are on your way to having a $10,000 credit limit. Remember, managing a high credit limit responsibly can help improve your credit score and give you the financial flexibility you need. Don't forget to check back for updates and ensure you're using your credit wisely. If this guide was helpful, remember to follow for more tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in.